Uh, Henceforth, while huts are lit, they become like a rock, and everywhere in harness from among rocks there ascend from which rivers gush forth. Other there are which, when shiplets ascend, send forth water, and other which sink for fear of Allah, and always not unmindful of what you do. Can you, O Yahweh of Hafat, say certainly, the Habdosia will believe in you, seeing that the 40 of them heard the wall of Allah, and prodded it is snarling after they understood it. Behold, when they were meeting the men of Hafat, they say, would believe. But when they meet each other in a private, they say, believe. Shall you tell them what Allah has revealed to you, that they might engage you in argument about it before your Lord? Do you not understand or now they know what Allah knows what they conceal and what they